Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to turn on or off Follow Me Home feature on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now from the following view, you need to go to the third tab, which is the convenience. From convenience, all you need to do is scroll down until you see Follow Me Home. So here you can enable or disable this switcher just by using the following switcher. It's quite nice and quite easy. So basically, what is this function? When you park and turn off the car in the dark, this function keeps the main headlights shining forward for a short period of time after you lock the door. This safely lights your path to your front door before turning off automatically. I think it's quite nice, so let me leave it enabled, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.